Authorities announced Wednesday that 4 individuals, including current and former New York City employees, have been charged in a conspiracy wherein they stole $8 million out from National Food Stamp Program, then put it into their own wallets. Three individuals who either previously worked for or recently served for the city's Human Resources Administration used fictitious identities to issue completely bogus food stamp cards. As stated by the prosecution, someone assisted in processing and approving around 1,500 fraudulent claims for public aid benefits totaling nearly $8 million between 2007 and 2010. This same lawsuit claimed that even after selling the preponderance of the food stamp cards provided to those homes, the money was split. Within Colorado River Basin, Lake Powell is a major reservoir. The greatest reservoir in the country, have been draining rapidly. As a result of Lake Mead's water level dropping to previously unheard of low points in August, the federal GovT for the inaugural time mandated water use reductions for states in the Southwest. The U.S. Geological Survey and the Bureau of Reclamation Research revealed that Lake Powell saw an annualized reduction in capacity and as well as water loss brought on by a severe decade-long drought. This is disappointing news for quite an area that already has extreme shortages of water and fires. Specialists in drought from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration predicted that these circumstances will at least persist, if not worsen. Florida is currently under a tropical storm warning, and Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, and Seminole counties are also under a tropical storm alert. During 36 hours, this region is predicted to experience tropical storm intensities. A hurricane caution is also in effect for the districts of Lake, Sumter, and Polk. is predicted to bring rain, floods, violent storms, and significant gusty winds towards the area, the most severe weather occurring on Wednesday and Thursday. Central and western Florida may receive 12 and 16 inches of rain. Harris warned locals to prep their homes for floods if they live near the Wekiva and Little Wekiva rivers or the St. Johns River. He equated Hurricane Ian's effects on central Florida to those of Hurricane Irma in 2017, noting that Ian will continue longer due to the storm's predicted stall. According to his calculations, the storm's winds and rain are predicted to begin around Wednesday afternoon and last through early Friday. Last but not least, the National Electoral Council of Cuba declared same-sex marriage lawful after citizens approved a common law that boosted rights for minorities on the island. On the communist-run island for many years, LGBTQ people in Cuba experienced governmental prejudice. It's good to see the world changing for the better.